Okay everybody, I got the generator a few days ago. As you see, this is the WEN 2000 watt generator. It's a model 56200I, and thought I would go ahead and see if I can try to get this thing started for the first time. Unfortunately, I'm in a very noise-sensitive area, so I'm not sure how long we can let this run. I'm not really running to annoy people for very long, so it won't really get a break in, unfortunately. But I really got no choice. There's no choice I've got readily available. It's going to allow me to do this in any level of privacy, so I'll just do it here. Alright. Instructions. I've read the instructions before. I read them online. Give them here. Socket wrench, screwdriver, etc. Hopefully this will be all the tools I need to get this thing started for the first time. This is a fresh unpacking. And no need to say this is not exactly lightweight. But for a generator, it's not really. Well, I'm not happy about having to unscrew the thing to reach the oil plug, but it's not something you do every day, so it's a minor inconvenience. But one or two times you make me do it. And we've got the oil plug. Just wait to get the funnel, so maybe I don't waste too much oil in there. I'm using Briggs and Stratton 30 weights. So 30 weights, so I thought I'd get the small end before I had to improve the Stratton for the first load. I had a little overflow, or a lot of overflow. Went a little bit too heavy there, so that'll work. Alright, didn't waste too much there. So there we go. Now, let's go ahead and lock this back in place. Now let's see what we can do about getting a little gas in here. Fill up the gas can because it's going to need a little start, keep it started every week or two until I get it in. Alright, that should be enough to get my first start going. Alright, let's check my settings. I get the gas plug back. Alright, turn the choke on. Turning eco is already off. Okay. Turn the gas cap off to on. Clear up the immediate combustibles. Package position. Let's fire her up. pretty darn quiet. I'm pretty sure you can hear me. It's pretty darn quiet. And I haven't put it on eco mode yet. I haven't taken it out of choke, which I will be doing now. See how quiet? That's not bad at all. I'm going to eco mode. Right, that's eco mode. That's really pretty smooth, guys. Got a pretty good exhaust in there. I wonder if I was a little heavy on the oil. Anyway, we'll take a look at that. That's the initial start. Can't complain too much about that. Alright guys, well that was my goal for the day, was to get the generator started, get it running. I want to make sure it did run in case I did have to return it. Right now I don't see any problems with it. I'd probably be starting it daily for a while, just seeing if there's something I'm missing or not doing correctly. A little too much on the oil. That was a mistake, but doesn't appear to be a horrible mistake, but it's running pretty good. So I'm going to shut it off now. If I give it a little bit more time. Well, I think I will give it a little bit more time. But that's the end of the video. If something catastrophic happens, I will make another video and let you know about it. But that's the first initial start of the WEN. And that's with one read of the documentation. I got some Briggs & Stratton small engine oil. I went and got some gasoline from the local gas station, and it took me two pulls for its first ever start. I had no complaints there.